Hi guys! Happy Sunday sa inyong lahat. Meron tayong mga amendments or changes sa ating programa kasi 'di ba nung last time or last week nag-live ho tayo kaya lang I don't think it is successful enough kaya binabalak kong bumalik na lang ulit sa recording kagaya nito. Ayan. At saka meron akong mga update sa inyo tungkol sa ating startup na project and also dito sa ibinalik ko natin ang ating bunot portion kasi marami hong nagre-request na ibalik na lang yun. Kaya i-explain ko lahat sa inyo yan right after itong intro natin. Okay? Welcome back to our program. You are watching Basilia Lend, the Helping Hand, and this is your host, Miss Lily. For those of you who are new to our program, we do give away financial help, just a small one, to our kababayan. Ayan, just to help them out financially and also to give back to our community in honor of my mother, Basilia. Nakita niyo ba yung intro natin? Ayan, di ba ang ganda? Alam niyo ba kung sino may bigay niyan? Naku, isa hong subscriber natin ang nagbigay niyan sa akin at inalaw niya ako na gamitin yan dito sa programa natin. O, di ba ang ganda? Thank you very much. I will reveal your name sa February, first Sunday ng February. Ayan, malalaman niyo po kung sino ang nagpadala sa atin ng ating intro sa ating programa. So now, eto na ang ating update. Ang atin pong startup program will be canceled kasi mukha namang marami pong nagkakaproblema kung paano magsasend ng kanilang video. At dahil marami din naman ang nagre-request na ibalik ang ating bunot portion, so nag-decide na lamang po ako na ang ating huling recipient ng ating startup program ay February 1st. And then, babalik po natin ang ating bunot portion. So, actually, ito today, may bunot na ho tayo ngayon. Kasi niisip ko rin kung nagla-live ako, konti lang naman ang audience na nakikita ko at saka nauubos pa ang load ninyo sa kapapanood. Sayang din naman. Tinawa naman ako, very considerate, di ba? Kaya, ayan, ibabalik na lang natin ang ating bunot portion. Huwag na kayong mag-i-email sa akin. Meron ho akong ilalagay sa Facebook page ng Basilia Lend, the Helping Hand. Nandoon ang entry form. Kaya kung gusto nyo sumali, doon na lang ho kayo sasali. Okay? Now, bago tayo pupunta sa ating bunot portion, okay, meron muna akong isa-share sa inyo. Kasi last week, nagkaroon ho kami ng snowstorm dito sa Toronto. Kaya, kung hindi pa kayo nakakakita ng snow, eto na ang chance ninyo. Ayan. Panoorin nyo ho itong aking konting video clip para makita nyo naman kung ano ang buhay namin dito kapag merong snow. Okay? Please watch this. Good morning guys! Alam nyo ba kung anong araw ngayon? Monday. At napakalamig dito ngayon. -4 feels like -12. Kita nyo yan, ang daming snow. Snow day! Yay! Ito ho ang aking kaopisina o katrabaho si Simon. Ayan o, ang lamig-lamig. Ayun! Alas 6 pa muna umaga ngayon. Magtatrabaho na kami. Okay. Hi Simon! Say hi! Hi!
I must have counted at least over half a dozen cars, smaller cars that really got themselves into a jam. Now, beyond that, there was a lineup of these plows and salters that were slow moving. Right now, police have the exits completely blocked off, but it almost looked like a scene out of that REM music video. Everybody Hurts, where basically everyone was standing outside of their cars wondering, what am I going to do? How am I going to get home? I can't tell you this, George, just standing with my car pulled over to the side. I had 2 people pull over just to see if I needed any help. Always great to see Good Samaritans out there. I had a chance to speak with one of them. Here's what one guy had to say. Okay, we'll turn around that clip for you in just a bit, but we can tell you, we're showing you the scenes here at the Gardner Expressway. You could clearly see that the roads are snow covered. We're also hearing warnings of some possible freezing rain, so obviously everyone's advised to stay off the roads if you can. But I'm not sure if we can get a shot, Kenny, if we can just pan down the way over here. Just the side streets are an absolute mess. We know that it's going to take some time for the cities to get around to some of these side roads. We know that, hearing from Brad Ross, that they've already done 3 rounds on the expressways, 2 rounds on arterial roads, but it's streets like this that are really going to need some help. You can see some individuals already starting to use their snowplows and dig themselves out. So this is just one perspective from this massive snowstorm here overlooking the Gardner. Back to you for now.
Jamie, good friend.
O yan, nakita nyo, ang lamig talaga dito. Hindi ho biro. Monday pa naman yan. Na kalimutan ko na kung ilang degrees, na negative ho tayo. Kaya talagang malamig, mahangin, tsaka ang daming na-stuck ng araw na yan. Hindi lang mga kotse, pati mga buses, yung transportation ho namin dito, maraming na-stuck sa snow. Ayan. Kaya, para lang malaman nyo kung ano ang itsura ng snowstorm, ayan, ganyan ho. Okay? I hope hindi naman natuwa, pero nagustuhan nyo yung video natin for today. Okay? So now, dito na tayo, bunot na tayo. Okay? Okay, so ngayon, bubunot na tayo ng ating first entry. At ang ibibigay po natin for today ay 5 kilong bigas na nagkakahalaga ng 250 pesos. Ayan. 4 ang kukunin natin for today. Okay? So, eto na. Ang ating first recipient ay si Rameline Cosejo ng Luzon, NCR. Ayan. Rameline Cosejo. Okay, so now, ang ating second ay si let's see, Joey Salombides ng Luzon, NCR uli. Ayan. Uy, bakit nanginginig yan? Nanginginig ang kamay ko. Ang ating ikatlo ay si Paul Piolo ng Bicol, Mindanao. Ayan, taga Bicol, Mindanao area naman si Paul. Okay, at ang ating last. Okay, ito na. Pasensya na kayo, hindi ko kayo lahat pwedeng mabigyan. Ayan. Ito po ay si Catherine Nanong ng Bicol, Mindanao din area. Ayan. Okay. So, congratulations po sa ating mga recipients for today. If you want to redeem your money, please email Basilia Lend a Helping Hand. Give me your GCash and the name ng may-ari ng GCash account. Okay? Ito ho, a reminder lang, yun lamang verified GCash account ang bibigyan ho natin ng pera. Yung non-verified, hindi na ho natin pwedeng mabigyan. Ayan. Kaya, make sure na kung gagamit kayo ng GCash, either inyo or someone else, make sure po na verified ang inyong GCash account. Okay? Para safe tayo both ways, no? Okay, so doon sa ating mga bagong subscribers for this year, thank you so much for your for your subscription. At doon naman sa mga existing subscriber na natin, thank you very much din for continued support. Ayan. Salamat po sa pagsuporta sa ating programa, okay? And please bring more people or bring more friends over aboard para naman mas marami pa tayong matulungan at nang lumawak ang ating kindness. Ayan, okay? So anyway, thank you all for watching. Mag-iingat po tayong lahat. Magkita-kita ulit tayo dito sa next Sunday, dito pa rin sa aking channel. At may God bless us all. Okay? I love you guys. Bye-bye. I'll see you next week. This is your host, Miss Lily, sharing her blessings.